welcome to this video. Welcome to JJ's Toys, and here we're gonna show Subway Surfers Tokyo. So yeah, let's see it. So there's some first to start off, there's some Japanese letters in the right and left, and there's like Tokyo has like kind of, I think, ninja, like ninjutsu, like kind of towers or something, like little tiny like abandoned houses or something. And there's also a bridge. You can kind of see the water. There might be some eggs or like mysteries throughout that water and in this map. I don't think like Subway Surfer has any like mysteries or anything. I never saw any like secret eggs or anything. So yeah, the buildings are nice, and I see a little bit of soup like design on the or like bowl with chopsticks, which is unique, like mostly only in Tokyo. And yeah, mostly in Tokyo they use chopsticks, and it's really cool designing. This is like a designing place. There's not that many buildings. They're just like the Japanese culture. So yeah, okay guys, bye.